Dailycer manufacture cereals and cereal bars, and we provide them to the major supermarkets predominantly. Lots of growth within the business, and we have recruited 25 new staff this year. We needed to use vocational qualifications to give something to the workforce to ensure that we maintain staff retention and to develop those individuals along the way. It's been a real positive story for us. We signed a partnership agreement with the local college, Cambria, in 2009. It's been a great relationship for us. They were able to give us access to a range of vocational qualifications, and we've seen a massive amount of interest from our workforce.
What the staff are, they're getting a qualification that supports what they do in the workplace, so it's backing up what they do. It's obviously working because they are developing, there's new lines going in, they're really progressing now.
Some people hadn't studied since they'd left school 20, 30, 40 years ago. Once they achieve a qualification, they seem to grow in stature, and that enables them or gives them the desire really to go on and to achieve more qualifications.